Hello, welcome to devlog number 4. I'm Jeff. Today was a great day. I did a bunch of programming and spent about 6 hours of focused, in the weeds time. And after that, my brain was fried. So that's a great day of programming right there. I was able to convince Claude to behave himself, and I was able to make some good progress with the agent tools today. You know, love to hate them, hate to love them. I don't know. The reality is nobody can type as fast as these things can generate code. So you got to find a way to use them. You still got to do all your own thinking. And if you can keep them on a very narrow task, they are super powerful. And that was today's experience. I think Claude was a little bit smarter today. It felt more restrained. I don't know. It's hard to tell exactly what's going on with these things, given that they're kind of like a coworker. It's a variable being, if you will. I don't know. Claude is not a variable being, but it definitely gives the illusion of it at times. So, yeah. Today was a great day of moving forward on this project. Did a bunch of webhook handling, and once I set the pattern up, it was easy to get Claude to do a bunch of the heavy lifting for me, and I was able to crank through a pretty big swath of work, which is always super fun. Prior to that, I was working again with my colleague from Eswatini on the CMS project Bricks. Today we were working on some more data model stuff. We're really taking our time to think through the problem from first principles. So that has gone super well. He's really dove into the domain and is getting really familiar with it. I have the advantage that I built a small CMS already once, and so I kind of understand where some of the problems lie and how to structure it. But having spent as much time in Shopify recently and some of these other different tools, I think we'll probably do something that's maybe a little different than what I did in the past, and hopefully beneficial to the broader Elixir ecosystem, Elixir and Phoenix ecosystem. I hope one day that we can give the package out as a really sweet open source gift. That'll be fun. Yeah. So overall, really, energy's up, feeling good, feeling a bit tired. But that is great. That means we're making progress. So I wanted to also share today some fun social media find that I found, and that is the Swift OTP connection thing. I don't know exactly how to refer to this, but there's a library that was just released today that allows a Swift client to interact with the Erlang ecosystem, and I think it's a wrapper over top of the Beam inside of Swift. And I got to look into this, and I'm actually thinking about using things like this as topics for code reads, which is the longer form streams that I like to try to do. I've done a few of them, just kind of dip my toe in. But I think it's time to start digging in and doing some of those. I think they'll be super fun to do. So yeah, maybe we won't just have vlogger Jeff, devlog Jeff. Well, maybe we'll have streamer Jeff too. We'll see here. Just got to find the time to do it. Another thing I'm thinking about for these is I'm thinking about changing the format of them a little bit. So maybe a daily work update at the beginning, maybe some like insight or wisdom from software development wisdom in the middle, and then a little bit of news review, cool stuff kind of review as well. And I think potentially what I'll do is I will also add some extra visuals, so you don't just have to listen to me talk and just look at my face, but you'll be able to see the other the other material, like the different Git repositories and code bases and images and all that kind of cool stuff. I use OBS to record these, so it should be pretty straightforward. to do them live and switch back and forth and make it all happen. We'll have to learn some hotkeys to make that smooth, but the tech exists. We can do it. So really, yeah, I'm really starting to enjoy doing these. Getting excited for kind of learning how to use this YouTube medium more. And yeah, if you've stuck along this far, appreciate you taking the time to journey along with me. And I hope that my journey will be as beneficial as many of the people who have gone before have benefited me. I really have benefited from people sharing their journeys on YouTube and being able to just kind of learn from those who are willing to take the risk. And I hope that in some way this will be beneficial to you. But I think that's all I have for today. It's time to get some sleep and get some rest, have a fresh brain for tomorrow. So follow me, give the channel a subscribe, give the video a like, leave a comment if you want. Follow me on X. Link is in the description below. Love to chat with you on there. I'm, relatively active on there and always game for a chat. I even have, I think the link is still up on a pinned post. There's a Sabica link there. If you ever want to just do 15 minutes of chatting and say hi, throw your name in there. Happy jump on a call and just have a fun chat and meet some new people and maybe make some friends I haven't met yet. So if that's you, give it a shot. But until then, thank you, and I'll talk to you soon, and I'll see you in the next one.